Did you know that most people stay broke not because they don't make enough money, but because they keep making the same investment mistakes again and again? Every year, millions of people enter the stock market hoping to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. But instead of growing their money, many lose it because they follow bad advice, emotional decisions, and unrealistic expectations. The truth is, investing is not just about making money, it's about avoiding the mistakes that destroy wealth. In today's video, we're covering the 3 biggest investment mistakes keeping people broke and how you can avoid them starting today. One of the biggest reasons people fail in investing is because they jump into the market without any real strategy. They buy stocks based on hype, trending news, or social media excitement. One week, everyone is buying AI stocks, the next week crypto, then suddenly, people move into dividend stocks because someone online called them safe. Without a strategy, emotions take control, and emotional investors usually panic during market crashes, sell at losses, and buy stocks at the worst possible times. But experienced investors understand that market declines are normal. In fact, many smart investors see market crashes as opportunities to buy quality investments at lower prices. The second mistake is one of the most dangerous investing habits today: trying to get rich overnight. Social media has made investing look easy. Every day you see people posting screenshots of huge profits, expensive cars, luxury lifestyles, and claims about secret stocks that could make you rich instantly. Many beginners enter the market expecting fast money, so they take huge risks chasing unrealistic returns. They buy risky penny stocks, meme stocks, speculative crypto projects, or complicated options trades without fully understanding the dangers involved. Teehee World's most successful investors became wealthy through patience and long-term investing, not gambling. Now here's the biggest mistake of all: not investing at all. If your money is sitting in a regular savings account earning almost nothing, inflation is slowly destroying its purchasing power. So don't wait for the perfect moment. Start learning. Start small. But most importantly, start now.